येरादारी कायदो कडक केल्ल्यान खुबशा लोकांक तालाव पडपाक सुरवात जाला आनी हाचेर लोकांनी प्रतिक्रिया उक्तायल्यात। कांय जाणांच्या मतान हो कायदो केलो ते बरेच जाले, जाल्यार कांय जाणांचो ह्या कायद्याक विरोध आसा। कित्याक तर साधारण गोंयकारांक हो दंड परवडपा सारको ना, गिरेस्तांच्या फाटल्यान कोण लागना अशेंय तांचें म्हणणें।
For helmet, it is a correct thing. For drinking alcohol, it is a correct government decision. Other certain no entry and these are the worst. Why someone coming from Madgaon, he didn't know which is the no entry, which is the entry. They should decrease those prices, but helmet will be compulsory. Why not? It is the life of a person. If in an accident, he suddenly died with 8 injuries. It is a government correct decision for helmet and for alcohol, because people are driving after drinking alcohol, they are neglecting the driving there.